Today on JD Cars, we're going to be installing some new Michelin AC10 tires on the WR250R. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're finally putting some new rubber on the WR250R over here. Up until now I've been running the stock Bridgestone dual sport tires. These are Bridgestone trail wings, and as you can see, I've definitely put them through their paces. And just last episode we properly disposed of the rear tire, doing a nice fat burnout. And yeah, so if you missed that one, go check out that video. I'm about to pull off both front and rear wheels, run the new rubber, which by the way, looks absolutely killer. Hopefully this fits all right. That's some beef right there. Oh baby. This is a fatty rear tire. The Michelin AC10, supposedly good on-road and off-road. So I'm stoked to try those out. Let's pull off these wheels, get them swapped out. Alright, just took this beast out for a little test rip around the backyard and the trails. Put her in some dirt. Man, these tires, I'll get into them later, but oh yeah, way better. But for those of you who are doing this on your WR250R and you haven't swapped out the wheels and tires yet, I'll cover the process here quickly. You'll have 3 8mm screws holding this front sprocket cover on, 4 10mm up front here that you have to loosen before pulling your front axle. I believe this was a 22. The rear nut here is a 27. Clip facing forwards. I believe these are only at 15 PSI. JP told me he only put them at 15 because he wasn't sure where I wanted them. But on our WR250R, we do have the spec here. I'm about 180 pounds, so this is pretty good for us. We'll do 18 in the front, 25 in the rear. Yeah, we'll see how that does. But as far as the tires go, they feel great. I'm gonna do a little POV drive with the moto vlog setup. Not sure if I'm gonna put that in this video or a separate video, but really happy with these tires so far. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the Michelin AC10 tire. Definitely a great investment. I think they're gonna last a while, especially because they're symmetrical and we can just flip them. Really solid tire, pretty confidence inspiring on the road, and definitely much more confidence in the dirt because they hook up really well. As always, I recommend helping out your local business and also not dealing with the headache of doing tires at home. Just bring them to a local shop and have them throw the rubber on for you. It's a lot easier. A lot less swearing, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you want to see on the WR250R over here, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on JD Cars.